Hi friends, Jordan from Frog Street here. If you are seeing this video, that means that you just received your brand new toddler sample and scan the QR code. Hi, how are ya? There are so many exciting new things about this toddler kit. One of them being the old toddler kit went from 18 to 36 months. This kit goes from 12 to 36 months. First thing that I want you to look at in your box is this brochure. It is going to tell you a little bit more about how this kit looks throughout your everyday life in your classroom. There is also a letter for you to read. At the top it says, "Dear Educator." So if you will pause this video and read that really quickly. A couple of things that you're going to notice that differentiates this program from our previous toddler program is that our conscious discipline is embedded in every single moment, and that science of reading strategies are intentionally placed in this program to help get these littles ready to be successful readers in the future. So we have totally revamped our lily pad since the older toddler program. This lily pad is going to give you access to so much more materials with easier search features, videos, and things that you are really going to appreciate and make your life so much easier. Another huge difference is the inclusive strategies that we are including in this program. We know in your classroom you are seeing more and more different behaviors that you may or may not be sure how to handle. We are giving you our strategy cards that help you deal with some of the things that you may need a little bit more support with. We have also sent you in this sample guide our family newsletters. These are printable right off the teacher portal, and you will see right ahead of time that we have made a note from your teacher area. This is brand new for this program, a great place to put your toddler needs new diapers this week, or our Christmas programs next week. On the back, parents can see a calming strategy of the week that they can help practice at home, a homeschool connection so they can support the learning at home that you are doing in school, learning outcomes of the week, and a song or finger play that they can support at home. I want you to notice on the first couple of pages that we have put a lot of time and effort into creating classroom environment, supporting families, because we know that it truly starts at home. So we believe that that homeschool connection has to be strong for a powerful year. Also brand new in this program, you are going to see our inquiry and exploration zones. You can check this out on page 4 of the sample teacher guide that you received in your kit. You're going to notice 2 different inquiry and exploration zones for each age group. So see that we continue our day with our greeting circle, our brain smart start, and then some different weekly activities. We are covering 4 developmental learning domains that you will see listed on page 5. One essential component that was in the other toddler program that we wanted to make sure we keep is what should you do? You can check this out on page 8 of that teacher guide, but this is things like a child in my room is biting. What should I do? A child in my room cries every time mom leaves. What should I do? We here at Frog Street have been educators. We know what it feels like to sit in your shoes. So we know not everything is just rainbows and butterflies all the time. These things happen and you need support, and we are here to provide it for you. Also, if you take a look at page 12 in that teacher guide, you're going to see something called teacher self-care, which is brand new for this program and something that we take very seriously because we've got to make sure that your bucket's full so you can feel those littles. Another thing that I love about this program is our real life photo cards. Brain research tells us that children need to see real life pictures in a curriculum so they can make those connections to their real life experiences. And that's exactly what we've done with our photo cards. On the back, there's sign language, there's ways to talk about it, ways to move your body, and different multilingual strategies as well. You're also going to be getting a couple of books in this program as well, so make sure that you check those out. And you're also going to be getting one of our magnetic story folders. These are so fun. You can read them to your students, and then there's magnets that you can pop out where they can practice retelling the story or even using their imagination to make it their own. I hope you are as excited about Toddler Joyful Discoveries as I am, and I can't wait to welcome you to this brand new program.